how to log into your client member portal, or CMP for short. So keep in mind that only a selected few client employees will have access to our system. So with that being said, for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to assume that you never got the introduction email that our team will create once we initially create your user account. Let's say you never got that email and you want to log into the system. So the domain here, the URL is ehsInc.cmp.org. This is the login menu, the login screen. At this point, what you're going to do is you're going to type in your company email address, leave the password field blank, click on the forgot password link, and this will activate the reset password email to be sent from our system. So look out for that important email in your inbox. Once you find it, pay attention to the temporary password that's been assigned to you. Come back here, type in the same company email address, and type in that temporary password that was given to you. Click on Login, and now you're in. But we're not done yet. So we're going to go ahead and click on the profile menu here on the left side of your navigation and click on the Reset Password button. And now go ahead and type in your temporary password and now your preferred password that you want to use moving forward. And hit Save, and you're done. That's it.